Today we'll share how to make all-natural colorful dumplings. We keep the pure, natural flavors, adding both health and taste to the new year. Step 1. Make the coloring juices for the dough. Wash 100 grams of spinach. Blanch it in boiling water. Boil for 5 seconds, then remove. This removes oxalic acid from spinach. Blend it into juice. Then strain it. This makes the spinach juice smooth. You'll get about 110 milliliters of juice. Next, red dragon fruit. Half is enough. Around 180 grams. Put it in a bowl. Cut it into small pieces. And blend into juice. Strain it. About 100 to 110 milliliters. Peel and slice 200 grams of pumpkin. Steam, mash, and strain into puree. You'll get about 100 milliliters of puree. Now we have our natural color juices. Now let's make the dough. Use 150 grams of flour for each type. Mix each with the juice. Since the juices are thick, you'll need slightly more liquid than water. I also make the dough softer. Softer skins taste better when boiled, though they're trickier to wrap. My family prefers soft dumpling skins. That's personal taste. If you like firmer skins, add a bit more flour. Cover and let the dough rest. Now, let's make the filling. Use 250 grams minced meat. Add ginger, wine, soy sauce, 5 spice, and salt. Mix well and let it marinate. We'll make 2 kinds of fillings. One with meat and veggies, one vegetarian. For the mixed filling, 2 carrots, 150 grams dried tofu, a bowl of soaked black fungus, 1 leek, and 4 scrambled eggs. Different colors mean different nutrients. Mixing colors makes it balanced and rich. More colorful, more nutritious. Scramble 4 eggs with salt and olive oil. Pour eggs into hot oil. Stir quickly. Use chopsticks to break it up. Now the colorful filling is ready. Add 10 grams olive oil. Adjust seasoning to taste. I added a bit more sea salt. Mix well and it's ready to wrap. The veggie filling uses chives, celery, and eggs. 200 grams chives, 100 grams celery, 4 eggs. This filling releases water easily, so add oil first. To coat the vegetables, add salt only before wrapping. That keeps it from getting watery. Now let's wrap the dumplings. The rested dough becomes smooth after a few kneads. Then it's ready to shape. Don't worry about skill. Every step is shown clearly. You'll master it easily. The final dough mix is stunning. Hardest yet simplest. Sounds odd, right? You'll see why soon. In northern China, dumplings are a New Year's Eve must. But traditions differ across regions. Some eat dumplings on New Year's Eve. Others on the morning of New Year's Day. In my family, the first meal of the year always includes dumplings. It's always been that way. After dinner on New Year's Eve, we'd gather to make dumplings. Later, we left home for school and work, even across oceans. Sometimes we can't go home for Spring Festival, but I still eat dumplings on New Year's morning. Dumplings aren't just food. They carry emotion. When I think of dumplings, it's not just their taste, but warmth and family reunion. Dumplings are the one food everyone can make together. It holds the family bond. As a child, I didn't understand, but now I do. Their warmth is silent family love made tangible. The emotions inside each dumpling are best felt by those far from home. When away from home, they become a bridge of emotion, linking longing and home. The final color mix looks impossible to design. It is made easily. Just knead all colors together freely. It creates a beautiful surprise. When water boils, add dumplings. When they float, they're almost done. That means cooked. I usually wait until they rise, then boil twice more. Boiling dumplings symbolizes rising and thriving. As each one swells, it brings new life and hope. Wishing everyone a happy, warm, and joyful new year.